In today's video, I'm going to talk about how my 10K a month online business replaced my 9 to 5 job. Now guys, I have been working a 9 to 5 job since 27, right? So since I was 27, I was working a 9 to 5 job, and this was back in the UK. And I was working several jobs. I was working in Argos, World Duty Free, also Sky as well. That was my recent job. And I was working in all of these places, right, throughout the years. And I decided I had enough of my life, right? I was very tired. I was very bored. I wasn't making enough money, right? And I could see other people living their life in Dubai or even other places like Bali and just living their lives, right? Making money online. So I said, you know what? I'm going to take the biggest risk of my life. I'm going to quit my 9 to 5 job, pack my bags and move to Dubai. And that's literally what I did, right? So I packed my bags and moved to Dubai. And obviously I quit my job. So at this point, I was looking for a job in Dubai. And when I couldn't get a job, and I've made a whole full video on this, but when I couldn't get a job, I decided to focus on my online business. And me just doing this completely changed my life. Guys, I now make well over 10K a month in Dubai, and I have the best online business in the world, and I can proudly say that because I have tried a bunch of different online business models. I have tried drop shipping, I have tried TikTok, I have tried affiliate marketing, I have tried every business model you guys can imagine, right? I've literally done all of it. And none of them made me money like this has made me money. None of them have given me hope like this gave me, right? All of the other business models, yes, I did make some money, but it wasn't that much, right? And I also did YouTube full time. So when I first moved to Dubai, I was doing YouTube full time, where I was making money through sponsors. I was doing drop shipping videos at the time. A lot of you guys probably remember if you've been watching me for a long time. And yeah, at this point, I was doing sponsorship videos, and even that wasn't great because I still felt like I was working a 9 to 5 job. Rather than having one boss, I had several bosses, right? So I done all of those business models, and none of them really worked, and none of them really made me that much money, right? So that's when I decided to start an online coaching business. Now, I had delved into this a little bit before. I had a little bit of experience, a little bit of knowledge with how coaching works. What I did was hire a mentor, right? Because I wanted to start my own offer, but I did not know which way to go about it. The mentor helped me a lot. And if my mentor is watching this somehow, you know, I thank him every day because honestly, like, if it wasn't for him, I wouldn't be where I am today, right? So I met him at the right time, and we jumped on a call. I decided to pay for his services, and we decided to then start my offer, right? And I started my offer, started a YouTube channel, and everything worked out really well, especially in the beginning. In the beginning, because I wouldn't even call it an audience, but I had a few hundred followers, I was able to make 10 grand in my first month of doing this, right? And that kind of opened my eyes because I was like, wow, okay, if I can make 10 grand in my first month, I can really, really scale this, right? And obviously this was not me realizing that obviously for me, I need to work on this business a little bit more, and then it will grow over time. I need to do a little bit more things. I had to learn a little bit more things as well, right? But that's why I hired a mentor, because my mentor helped me tremendously. There are so many mistakes I would have made, but because I hired a mentor, completely changed my life in that sense because things just started progressing a lot quicker compared to if I was doing this myself, right? Now, just before I continue the video, if you do need any help with starting your own online business where I can scale you to 10K a month, click the link in the description below, book in a call with me, and what we'll do is jump on a call and I'll see exactly how I can help you. So when I did that, obviously I started making good money, and then things started to grow, and then I started to make even more money to the point where I'm at the position where I am today, right? And not only that, guys, obviously I've made money, I've done well, I've been able to make good money here in Dubai. But I've also been helping my clients, and my clients have been making some good money. And a lot of my clients have been getting some ridiculous results, right? Like one of my clients made £6,500 in a day, which is unreal. I've had another client who in his first YouTube video got 5 booked calls, right? So it's about $25,000 worth of leads straight off the bat. I've had another client who booked in like 6-7 calls straight away after doing ads, right? And even the ads has booked him over 140 calls or something along those lines. And I've also worked with several other clients who have been getting their first clients like literally 3 weeks within the program, or even a month within the program, some a little bit late within 2 months of the program, but a lot of them start seeing progress within that 1-2 months, right? And I've helped so many people. So not only have I made money, I've helped people make money as well. I've helped people change their lives. I've helped people start a business so they can actually quit their job. And for me, that is the best satisfaction ever because I know what it's like working a 9 to 5 job. I used to work in Argos. I remember when I used to do deliveries, it was painful, it was long, especially in the morning, right? Very difficult, very cold. I remember when I was working in World Duty Free, where you're not even allowed to talk to people. I was working in a warehouse. So the warehouse was very depressing, very quiet. it wasn't great. It was terrible. I remember how bad that was. It was so depressing, actually. Someone committed suicide at work. And I know I've mentioned this a bunch of times in my videos, but it still makes me think how depressing that place is if someone's actually committed suicide. And then I worked at Sky, and Sky had its own problems. It was very political out in the workplace, where, you know, people are just siding with higher ups, which I don't like, because I don't know why you're going to kiss ass for the higher up managers just so you can be in their good books and hopefully maybe you get a promotion. So people used to do that a lot, and like I even used to like that kind of stuff, right? Then I went into the media side of Sky, where that was initially when I first joined Sky what I wanted to do. And I realized very quickly this is not what I want to do. Like, this was so overhyped when I joined, because I thought, yeah, it's going to be fun, it's going to be this and that, but it's nothing like that. It's still a job at the end of the day. I think this job here made me realize that every job is the same. And no matter what job you do, you are going to be bored, especially maybe in the beginning you might like it, it might be something different. But what I've realized is every job is the same, and in the end, you're going to dislike it, right? Because there is someone telling you what to do, you come home with less money every month. It's not the ideal way to do things, right? So I quit that, moved to Dubai, and I was like, I'm going to just focus on myself, start my online business. And then, yeah, I did YouTube full time. I didn't like it. It was what it was. But then when I started my coaching program, I saw real success, and I helped people and I helped myself. Now, with the coaching program, this is what's crazy. Literally anyone can do it. Like, I know it sounds crazy because you're like, a coaching program, I need to teach someone a certain skill, right? And a lot of you might think you don't have that skill, which is completely wrong, and I'll explain why. The reason is everyone's got a skill, right? And you don't need to be like expert at that skill. As long as you're good at that skill and you can teach someone else, right? And you are ahead of most people, not most people, but you're ahead of few people, right? That's all you need. You just need to be like a 3 or a 4 out of 10 at a skill, right? And you can teach that to someone else. You can teach that to zeros, you can teach that to ones, you can teach that to twos. So you just want to be a few steps ahead of the people you're going to be helping, right? And guys, the crazy thing is any skill works. So you can teach people any skill, because I'll give you an example. There's a woman here in Dubai who makes just under $20,000 a month teaching people how to knit. You've got another person teaching people how to stop drinking alcohol. He makes around 80 grand a month. There's another person that's teaching people how to get a six-pack, and he also makes around, I think, 160 grand a month, something along those lines. Now, all of these skills aren't really considered big skills, in my opinion, right? Especially the knitting one. The knitting one kind of shows you what's possible, okay? So if there's a woman here in Dubai teaching people how to knit, and she does this all online, by the way, it's not in person. She teaches people how to knit, and she's making just under 20 grand a month. Well, you can imagine how much money you can make with the skill that you've got. Maybe it's editing. Maybe it's teaching people marketing. Maybe it's teaching people how to buy their first property. Maybe it's teaching people something that you've done, right? I mean, look, the possibilities are endless. There are so many skills you guys can teach. And all you need to do is charge $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, $6,000 for maybe 2, 3, 4 months of your time and a one-to-one call, which is like one call every week with this person, and charge, yeah, like $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 or $6,000. You guys will make so much money. And the best thing about this is not only will you make money, but you're helping someone. Now, I don't know about a lot of your guys' worldviews, but in my opinion, if you help people and you help more and more people, well, you're going to get more and more good happen to you, right? So you've always got to have a business that is there to help people. You need to provide value. You're not trying to just build a business to make money. Obviously, ultimately, that's what you want to do. But if you have a business that makes money and helps people, well, you guys know how much money you're going to make, right? Because if you understand the way the universe works, the more people you help, the more people you genuinely give value to, the more money you're going to make, because it's all going to come back to you. Everything's energy at the end of the day. So you want to make money by helping people. That's the best way to do it. And one of the main things that you guys need to do is you need to start a personal brand. Also, guys, just a quick one. If you do need any help with starting your own online business, click the link in the description below, book in a call with me. I'll be happy to jump on a call and see exactly how I can help you. Now, a personal brand is super, super, super important. A lot of people don't want to put their face out on social media. I get it. You've never done it before. It's something different. You don't want people to talk negative about you. Look, ultimately, you need to come out of your comfort zone if you want to grow, right? Now, when I started YouTube, I was the most introverted person you can ever imagine, right? I was so introverted. You could literally watch some of my old videos and you'll see how introverted I was, right? I was very, very shy. I didn't like speaking to people, and speaking in front of a camera was one of the hardest things for me. Like everything, it's a skill. I improved it over time, and all I had to do was just put myself out there once, and everything became a lot easier after that. I tell people, look, if you find this difficult, put yourself in front of a camera, just film a video, just film your first video. Don't think twice, just put it out there. When you post again, it's going to be a lot easier. And for most people, it is. Like, genuinely, you've just got to film that first time and you're fine, right? So that's what I did. I filmed for the first time and I got used to it and I was quite comfortable with it. And I'm glad I built a personal brand. So I started YouTube 3-4 years ago now. And I'm glad I did that because now my personal brand is starting to pay off, starting to make me money. But at the time, I didn't position my personal brand in the right way. Obviously now I have, but the fact that I built it over time has helped me tremendously. But the thing is, right, if you guys start today, you can start making money straight away. And the beauty about a personal brand is that there could be someone else doing a similar business to you, but someone will sign up with you rather than them because they like, know, and trust you a lot more than that other person. This is why there is no competition when you start a personal brand, because ultimately you're going to attract the people that like you, that like what you're saying and trust what you're saying as well. And those are the people that end up becoming the best clients as well. So this is why starting a personal brand is amazing, because again, there is no competition. You are your own person. You're the only one that looks like you, talks like you, and films content the way you film content. So this is very, very important. Building a personal brand is what's going to allow you to make a lot of money in the future, and it's where we are headed. Because the way AI is going at the moment, AI is making everything very, very artificial. Human interaction is going to be the most important thing, and I've said this a lot in a bunch of videos. This is why starting a coaching program and building a personal brand alongside it is what's going to make you money. Right? Now, guys, I've done a bunch of other business models that I mentioned earlier on, like drop shipping and all these other business models that I mentioned, right? YouTube full-time especially replaced my job in the beginning, right? But it was very, very steady income. It was basically like another job. But a coaching business, which allowed me to make 10K in my first month of doing it and makes me over 6 figures a year right now, that was really what replaced my job. Because ultimately, not only did I make a lot more money, but I had freedom, right? Freedom is what you guys are looking for. You're not looking to just replace your job with something else that's going to hold you back. You want freedom. Freedom completely changed my life because I get to wake up when I want. I get to work when I want. I get to go wherever I want, right? I have all the time in the world, and this is what is so important, freedom. Now, guys, if you are working a 9-to-5 job right now and you do need some help, or I can actually work with you on a one-to-one basis and scale you to 10K a month so you can actually start an online business that replaces your job, click the link in the description, book in a call with me, and I'll be happy to jump on a call and see exactly how I can help you. And if you want to watch the full breakdown of this business model, click the video that you see in front of you, and I'll see you guys there.